everyone, and thanks for joining me today for Origami with Miss Cynthia. I invite each one of you to sign up for our summer reading program, Tales and Tales. This program kicks off June 1st and completes its course on August 1st. It's open to all ages 0 to adults. And how it works? Every minute that you read or are read to is equal to 1 point. We are challenging our community to reach the goal of reading 1,000 minutes or more this summer. And not to mention, there are prizes throughout the way, while supplies last. Sign up at www.maricopacountyreads.org and choose Buckeye Public Library. Stay tuned in the months of June and July for summer reading themed folds, Tales and Tales. Now today's origami consists of just a few folds here and there for a classic Father's Day handmade gift. Now, let's get started. The supplies you will need are 1 paper lunch bag, a pair of scissors, glue or tape, and some coloring supplies. Optional are buttons, color paper, and fabric material. Alright guys, once you selected your paper bag that you would like to work with, we want to make sure that the opening of the bag is on the very top. And the flap to the bag, the bottom side, it is on the bottom side facing the surface that you're going to be working on. All right. So on the very top, you're just going to bring the top of the bag downward about 1 inch or so, and then crease at the top. Go ahead and fold it again, following that same size of that crease, and crease it again. All right, go ahead and grab your scissors, and you're going to cut just following the edge of that fold towards the middle of your bag, about 1.5 inches or so. All right, just like this. Now, the collar, we want to make sure that you're done coloring, you're done adding all the fun stuff to your bag, and then you want to fold this downward, but we want to go ahead and crease it just so you know how much you want to color on the bag and decorate it, okay? So this right side, go ahead and bring it downward to the middle. You have a line going through your paper bag right here. Go ahead and crease that. Just like this. You're going to do the same thing to the left side. Just bring that in a diagonal way, and it meets corner to corner from the other part of your collar there. All right, and then we'll do the gluing afterwards. That's at the very end. And it's time to decorate and have fun with it. So one of the things that you can do is, I have some paint, so you can, you know, dab some paint and have fun with it. You can color the entire bag. You can do whatever you desire to fashion up your Father's Day handmade gift. All right, let me bring one that I already have dried. You can add whatever color. I'm not working with, that was paint. You can work with paint. Let me bring one that I completed. So this one I used paint. I also cut out on a colored paper is a tie, and I will show you how to cut out a paper tie. I also glued some buttons here, so those are optional. You can draw them in. You can, if you have some buttons laying around, you can tape them on there also. But let me show you how to cut a tie. Now we're going to do draw a triangle that does not meet at the bottom. So go ahead and start drawing your triangle, but don't connect it. And then you're going to do another triangle going the opposite way. It doesn't connect. And then you're going to come back and do the letter V, like so. You can do that as long as you want. It could be a short little tie, or it could be a very long tie, and then you just can just cut this off. I usually end up using the bottom side of my tie, so you can't tell all of my tracing. All right, and there's your tie. So that's another option for you guys to work on. I also have one where I just used the plain simple bag and just drew some stripes in there. I love polka dots, so we have some polka dots going. I didn't use a tie here. I added some extra buttons coming down the bag here, and then just added some buttons to my bag. And with this one over here, I just cut out a square of fabric, and all I really did to this fun one is I scrunched it up right in the middle and put a little dollop of glue there. And those are just all the different ways that you can decorate your Father's Day baggie. Now, when we are ready and we've all gotten creative on our bags, it is time to glue. So before we glue, you want to be able to open this up after it's all dry and all fashioned up. You're gonna open it up and put your gift in there, and then fold it back down. And I have some double-sided tape here. Okay, and then you're just gonna put tape on the corners, or glue, whichever one you have works. All right, and all you're gonna do is bring them back down, and voila, there is your nicely ironed Father's Day handmade gift. All right, guys, and there you go. I hope you have a lot of fun with this fun Father's Day handmade gift card, and there you have it. Don't forget to check all of our virtual and in-person program schedule on our library website at www.buckeyeaz.gov/library. I challenge you to read 1,000 minutes or more this summer. Let's race to the mission this summer together. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and see you next time for more origami fun. Bye.